Do you want to get prawns?
There. Is that them?
Yeah.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the left.
Maybe we can do it later. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here in Lake Tinaroo. We're gonna do camping with our friends, and of course we collected a some some firewood back in Cairns. It's because you're not allowed to collect any woods here in the woods. It is absolutely illegal to do that. You will be fined, and it's very nice in here. It's very nice in here, guys. There's the river here. We are going to show you later on the spillway, which we've been here before, probably about, I can't remember, babe, a while ago, maybe 4 years ago. It looks like it's pretty dry outside, and it looks like it's gonna be hot during the day. We don't know what it's gonna be during the night because it's up here in the mountain. There you go. Oh, there's no water anywhere.
Yes, there is.
Oh.
Up here.
Oh my God, it's so windy. We're gonna keep going. Oh my God! There's a water! There's a water in there! So that's the spillway, just showed you. This look like what do you call them? Bush park ranger.
Grass trees.
No, the guy
Not
looked
a
like.
park ranger, he's just some dude.
I don't know. He could be a park ranger, you know. You underestimate him. He'd be watching you guys. Are you picking up some woods? So the answer is no. Don't pick any woods, or else you will pay money. That's so nice. So this is Dunbula National Park. And we are camping in what's it called that? Downfall. And we are going to camp in Downfall Creek just after the platypus camping ground. So this is a turn off to Platypus. Yep, so that's where Platypus camping area. Which we went there, remember? We visited that place about 4 years ago, maybe 5. It's quite nice there too, isn't it, babe? Got a lot of this. What kind of trees are these again? Pine trees.
Pine.
Hoop pine.
H-O-O-P.
Hoop pine. Woohoo! Adventure time!
Eat my dust.
We left Cairns around about 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's right. Around about 10 o'clock, and then we stopped at the gasoline station and we bought some firewood in there. How much is the firewood?
$12.
$12 a bag, and it's a hardwood firewood. On our way here, we have a heavy traffic on the road because they are doing some road work, and we left Cairns via Kuranda Road and then past Mareeba. Yeah, that's right. And there's quite heavy traffic around that area because they are doing some road work, widening the road. So this is the turn off Downfall Creek camping area. Pre-book camping only. Aha, we're here. We are here. Ah, there's a toilet in here. Toilet area there. Wow, this is so nice. Underwater. One way. Okay. There's toilet block there. Yeah, surely there's a shower in there.
There's a nice there's the fireplace.
Fireplace. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Woohoo! There you go. There's a fireplace too there where Lance just maybe we just go here.
Spot right there.
Okay. I'll leave you to it. And this is Lake Tinaroo. They have a fireplace here too, so it'd be nice. Hello, wow. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack.